Even my wife, who was never on board at the beginning with daily carrying a knife, EDCing a knife, I took the Civivi Elementum design, realized, right, that there was a version from Blade HQ called the Dessert Warriors, or Spice It Up. Hello and what is going on, guys? My name is Miguel and welcome to Miguel EDC. This is the OG Elementum, the smaller size compared to the button lock. There's now even a new version of this guy that comes with the button lock, so more to come on that in the channel later on. But this is the OG Elementum, and I gotta tell you guys, this is the second knife that I ever got when I first started getting into EDC, when I first started to kind of, discover this whole niche of, using knives as tools and, daily carrying knives, and, kind of discovering how useful it was to have something sharp on you whenever you got an Amazon box, or whenever you got a package, or you need to cut through some cardboard, or whatever it is, right, that you need to cut on a daily basis, right? Having a knife, EDCing a knife, it's, we all know, right, especially if you're in the knife community, we all know how useful that is. So I'm going to give you guys some basic specs here, right? This is the Civivi Elementum, the OG, right? 7 inches overall, 3 inches of blade, 4 inches of handle, right? G10 scales, D2 satin finish on that drop point blade. This is an awesome, beautiful, can't go wrong with type of EDC. I love EDC in this guy. And also, if you're looking to get anybody in to EDCing, or anybody, get your friend, get a family member, get anybody into knives, feel like the Civivi Elementum, just like the Kershaw leak, but the Civivi Elementum is also one of those vanilla designs, awesome knives that is not super big, is not super scary or what have you, right? And yeah, it's gonna get the job done for sure. Let me give you guys a perfect example. When I first started EDCing knives, my wife was very, very, very skeptical. And if my situation was anything similar to your situation, give a like to the video. Let me know in the comments what it was like for you. But yeah, she was very skeptical about knives, right? At the very beginning, I had to, kind of explain to her and, have her realize that knives are just a tool, in the same way kitchen knives are also a tool. And just to make a point that the Civivi Elementum design is so friendly for everybody. Even my wife, who was never on board at the beginning with daily carrying a knife, EDCing a knife, I took the Civivi Elementum design, realized, right, that there was a version from Blade HQ called the Dessert Warriors, or Spice It Up, same knife, just a little bit more spiced up, if you will. So the Civivi Elementum Dessert Warrior, got her this knife during the holidays. And again, even though she was skeptical and did not want to at first, right, I got her this guy right here, and now she is in love. She loves her Civivi Elementum Dessert Warrior. And by the way, these are limited runs from Blade HQ. I also have a link for this guy in the description, and you can see she uses it, right? There's definitely some wear and tear right there on the pocket clip. So proud and happy that she likes her knife, and she has other ones, a couple of different knives as well since. But yeah, perfect way to get her on board, to get a family or friend or your significant other, right, to jump on board and also, right, appreciate your passion and have the same level of enthusiasm that you have for EDCing your knife. So there it is, guys, the Civivi Elementum. You cannot go wrong with this guy. That being said, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to definitely leave a huge like on this video, right? Look forward to seeing the comments, reading everything that you guys are typing on there. By the way, by the time you're watching this video, right, the review for the Civivi Ortis is probably already released, right? So if you want to check out the Civivi Ortis, right, make sure to click this card right here. That is the Civivi Ortis. Also love this guy. It is so good. That being said, guys, take care. Peace. I'll see you all next time.